In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Mailchimp, a guide designed specifically for beginners. This short yet comprehensive walkthrough will help you navigate Mailchimp with ease, ensuring that your first email campaign is as smooth as possible. To begin, you'll want to start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, the first major step is to define your audience. Understanding who you will be communicating with helps in crafting emails that are relevant and engaging. To create an audience, head to the Mailchimp dashboard and find the Audience tab. Click on Add Contacts. At this point, you have several options. You can import contacts from another device, upload a CSV or text file, or even just copy and paste new contacts directly from a spreadsheet. Choosing the right method for you simply depends on where your contacts currently reside. Now that your audience is set up, it's time to create a new campaign. Begin by clicking on Campaigns in the top navbar, then select All Campaigns followed by Create. You will be presented with a number of options. Choose Email, as we are sending an email campaign. This choice will guide you through creating your email step by step. Let's move on to designing the email itself. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates suited for different themes and purposes. You can select a basic template for a minimalist look, or pick a more pre-designed option depending on your campaign's needs. Once you've chosen your template, head into customization. Mailchimp's drag and drop editor is your best friend here. You can add text blocks, images, buttons, and even social media links to your email. Customize the colors, fonts, and other design elements to ensure the email mirrors your brand's aesthetic. Take advantage of merge tags like first name to personalize each email and make your audience feel truly valued. It's essential to preview your work before sending it out. Mailchimp's preview and test features allow you to see how your email will look on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring everything is in tip-top shape and visually appealing on different screens. Next, you'll need to set up your email subject line from name and reply to address. Your subject line should be compelling enough to entice the recipient to open the email. Having a recognizable from name is crucial. It assures recipients your email is trustworthy and not spam. Ensure that your reply to address is accurate, especially if the email comes from a team or support department, so responses are directed to the right place. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, you can either send the email immediately or schedule it for a later time. To schedule, select the desired date and time for Mailchimp to send it automatically. This flexibility means you can plan campaigns around optimal engagement times, maximizing their effectiveness. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to executing your first successful email campaign with Mailchimp.